stock market is not a gamble. Once you learn to do it, once you know how the strategies play out, how to make your plans, how to manage your risk and your capital, it's not a gamble. My name is Shweta Gulati and I'm from Ahmedabad. I've started stock market trading around 2017. My dad introduced me to stock market. He's from the fundamental side of the stock market, and mostly he wanted me to go into the technical side of it. Initially my view was I'll do trading, but as and when I was not able to book profits, and in that I was losing money. I was not able to exit the market on time. So this is where I really wanted to have that gap filling done. Where am I going wrong? And that's how I just got myself back that no, I want to do something, I want to learn courses, I want to do options and all those active strategies that make money for me, on a day-to-day basis or on a monthly basis. So then I got to know about Multransview, and that was through a Money Control ad. They had this program called Option Secrets and a very simplified version of it. I went into that, and then subsequently I joined their team, Trader in Me.
The right kind of habits and the right skills. Right? That's very principle. Now let me show you.
And there I came to know that how market really works. Like every month a new strategy, and then you just apply it into the market, and one strategy connects you to the other. And this is how a full plan is there.
एक स्टूडेंट को बेसिक से लेके एडवांस से लेके इम्प्लीमेंटेशन तक लेके जाते हैं.
Post Vishal sir's Option Trading Secrets and Trader in Me, the change that happened was we were very easily shifted from the bull to the bear. One day we are bullish, but the next day we see that the market is not performing well, we go to the bear side of it. So that confidence is there now. Now we know what are our stop losses, when to enter, when to exit. So those things are very clear, the parameters are very clear.
You are breaking the content. आपको लगता है कि आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन बाजू वाले को बोलने की जरूरत है.
He handholds you through everything. There are a lot of strategies where there are constant messages, constant support from his technical team. Everything that happens in the market, there is a message that enter at this, exit at this, stop loss triggered, pyramiding, everything is there. So that's a very good support that we get from him.
You guys who have trusted us, who have believed in us.
The sessions that Meghna ma'am has taken on in all these years has really helped us gain patience, and a lot of calmness has come through.
यहाँ पे जब हम 300 लोग एक रूफ के अंदर एक साथ बैठते हैं, वो mass level पे there is rise in energy, rise in vibration, and you're already raising it from inside, और आपको बाहर से भी सहारा मिल रहा है.
Now we are very quietly and very calmly sitting and watching how the market is performing. It's not as if we are booking trades early or cutting losses also on time. This has really helped us through her training.
When I see the satisfied look, a very different look after the process, बड़ी ही शीतलता आ जाती है. They're very calm, they're very poised. वो देख के I feel a lot of satisfaction in the work that I do.
They go with that reaffirming the belief that stock trading can be a full-time profession, can become a main source of income.
Post 2020 till now, the process of booking profits, cutting down on losses has become really easy.
Master to victor, and then say, I'm going to take control of this.
I give full credit to Vishal Multran because he's taught us a lot of strategies, a lot of ways to enter the market, to exit the market on time, his timely support, and also the way that he takes us through his 6-figure trades, 7-figure trades. So that has really helped us. It's like a new confidence. Vishal sirs also say that the money should work for you. We are trying to make that shift where money is working for us. However, we are just midway through. So that is one good habit also that we have got, and we are making more money as well. Overall, I'm feeling a sense of calmness in me. If I'm home, I'm home. If I'm at office, I'm at office. I come back, we go out for a ride. Earlier I used to be like hyper. Now I'm more calm towards life.